In today's video, I'll be unboxing and taking a quick first look at the Sony ECM-44B Lavalier microphone, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at the Sony ECM-44B Lavalier microphone. And I got this microphone because I want to improve the audio of my kind of reviews that I have been using this little setup for. Mostly because right now I'm using a Rode VideoMic Pro on the camera, mounted to the Canon 6D Mark II. And while I think that works okay, the sound quality isn't exactly where I'd like it to be for these sorts of videos. So I got this, I picked it up, do a quick unboxing here, and then the second portion of the video I'll connect it to my Zoom H6 handy recorder, and I'll I'll kind of bounce back and forth a little bit on the audio from the camera using the Rode microphone and the lavalier microphone through the Zoom H6, just so you can get a little bit of a flavor of what that's going to sound like. So let's not spend too much time here talking, but we'll kind of get into it. So Sony, it's well reviewed. Lots of people say it's kind of one of the standard broadcast microphone setups. So that's why I kind of picked it up. I have a couple other cheaper microphones, lavaliers. I have an Olympus microphone that's probably a year or two old, and I have some JK, I think AK or JK mics from Amazon. I'll have to find out exactly what those are. And those, they work okay, but they just sound a little muffly, even though they have pretty good reviews. So I was looking for something that had a little bit more quality to it. So I purchased this from, I got this from Adorama, but Amazon sells them as well. So I will link in the description. So if we want to open the box up, just a kind of plain old box. Right away, some stuff pops out, some Japanese writing. I'm assuming this says Sony ECM-44B, something like that. So we got that. Comes in a nice case. It's kind of like a leatherette case, giant sticker, I guess, made in Japan. It has Velcro here, so you can open it up. And so this is it supplies its own phantom power with, I believe, a AA battery inside the XLR input. So a battery goes in there. Even though my my Zoom H6 does have phantom power output, this is just just comes this way. So you basically get the XLR mic, and this is an omnidirectional condenser microphone. Fairly small microphone capsule. I don't know if you can see that, but it's it's fairly small, so it shouldn't be too hard to hide. I think the specs said something like this is like a 6 foot lead on the cable. What else is in here? So we also have a little windscreen. It's actually pretty nice. It's foam, but it has a plastic kind of shell, so it can kind of slide onto the microphone. That's pretty nice. So we've got that, and you got your little alligator clip type. Get it out of here. Your little clip, right? So you can put it in there, and then you can clip it on your shirt. So I'm gonna have to unscrew this, I guess. Oops. It's all tangled up if you do that. Yeah, so this does take AA battery, so let me grab one of those. Hopefully this has some juice in it. Okay, so that's set. Let me just undo this. Okay, yeah, it's a fairly long cord. I shouldn't have unraveled this, I guess. That was kind of a dumb idea. Sorry. Okay. So here's the mic capsule. So here's my Zoom handy recorder. This is really a great recorder, by the way. I'll link to this in the description too. I'm sure you'll see tons of YouTube videos kind of about it. At some point in the future, I'll make one about this and how I use it in various settings and whatnot. But I really do like it, and it does have high quality as well. So the one thing I'll say is this is big. This XLR input is pretty big because it does offer the phantom power kind of built in. What I'm probably going to have to do, and I'm not sure, I should probably have read the directions, but I probably want to turn off, I'll just turn off the phantom power on here so that this is not supplying power and that's supplying power. I'm assuming that that's what it would have to be like. So we got hello, 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 hello. Hi, this is hi, hi, hi. I don't know if you can see. Hi, 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 hi. Hello? All right, let me just put this down. I'm gonna put this on. I'm assuming it just kind of pushes on. Yeah. Like that. Well, I don't want to screw that up. All right, well, I'll just clip this on my shirt anyways. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. So I went and recorded a bunch of audio using this in the Lavalier, and I didn't have the record button on. And luckily I just realized it now, instead of going and trying to put it on my computer and do some post-production and then realize I didn't have any audio from the Zoom. My bad, sorry about that. Well, you won't really know, I'm sorry, because I just wasted 10 minutes of talking. But what I wanted to say is, you know, I was going to do, I got this to use for the channel to get better audio for these sorts of situations. And then right now, what I did before, and I'm going to do it again, is I just searched Google for, you know, microphone test phrases. And here's some that came up. And some of these are weird. I don't even know like who would think of saying this stuff. Anyways, the small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. Kind of like my wife's. But don't let her say it. Don't tell her I said that. The colt reared and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Read verse out loud for pleasure. So let me know how those sounded. What the difference is in the sound quality. Hopefully this is better than the on-camera microphone, because that was the whole point in buying it. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching. You know, I normally probably wouldn't even have done a video on this, but I think there's other people out there looking for lavalier microphones, and the Sony, you know, it's a well-reviewed and a solid device. So I just wanted to kind of give this little bit of unboxing and a little bit of a demonstration of the sound. If you enjoy the video, or if you liked it, you know, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like. give me some comments below, and consider subscribing to the channel. I want to kind of up my game this year on the channel, and kind of get some more subscribers and get some more views, and just kind of get that out there. So anything that you can do to help support me in that, I'd really super appreciate it. I'm not going to keep asking for likes and all that stuff on all my videos, but definitely, if it's something that you found valuable or useful in any way, let me know. Okay? Again, this is Andrew from Tios for Tech, and I'll see you next time.